Do you have a CNC machine? Well, let's trace and CNC machine cut this pattern. It is a Chevy pickup truck dashboard, also called a bezel. I've already digitized the inside patterns. I'm now doing the outside using the logic trace system and the pen stylus. All I have to do is trace the pattern with the pen. There's no measuring. It's very accurate. I get an outline in just a matter of minutes. I'm doing lines and arcs for this particular pattern, but I could also do freehand drawing and curves. Just go around the pattern, and then I can save a file for my CNC machine and then cut it out. Got an arc here, almost done. It's very fast, very easy and accurate. There's the file. Let's save it and cut it out. The logic trace system comes in a variety of sizes. Most common size we sell is 44 by 60 inches or 110 by 150 centimeters. We sell a complete package that includes the tracing board, pen stylus, and logic trace software. For more information, message me or go to our website at www.logicgroup.com. Enjoy.